how to log out Prime Video application. So without any further ado, let's get started with this tutorial. First of all, on your mobile device, launch the Prime Video application. And if you are already logged into your account, again if you want to log out, then once you land on the home page, now head over to the upper right corner. There you will notice a profile icon. So tap on that profile icon, then you'll be taken to your profile page. Again head over to the upper right corner and tap on gear icon. Then that will take you to the settings page. Here scroll down a bit and tap on my account. Then under this interface, click on sign out option. Again click on sign out, and then you'll be logged out of your account. And that's how you log out Prime Video application. I hope this tutorial helped you. If you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe and do not forget to like, comment and hit the notification bell icon so that you will not miss any other further updates next time we upload more tutorials. Thanks for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.